So namaskar all of you. We'll start with the test for today. Okay. So actually this test was live from October 3, but due to some problem with the Telegram testing platform. Okay. So you can give the test. The link of the test is given in the description section. This is basically a Telegram test. Okay. And after giving the test, you will get a rank. There are 50 questions. Each question is 1 minute, so 50 minutes, but you can, once you answer a question, next question will come up. Okay. So, and the topic is basically the test, all the questions are on Gandhiji. Okay. So it's basically modern Indian history, 50 questions related to Gandhiji. Okay. And the standard of the question is that of PSC or SSC level. So you can give the test and you can get your rank. Okay. Tomorrow 8 p.m. we'll have the discussion of this test, and also we'll have the what you call the rank. Okay, rank sheet or something like that. Okay. So you can give the test in Telegram app. Download the app to your mobile and click on the link which is given below. Okay, in the description section, or you go to Arohan Classes channel. Okay, Arohan Classes channel, and there also you can get it. Okay, so the link will be there. A few other things, starting of the beginning lectures. Okay, the first lectures of polity and history. So history, we are following the following books which will be required for history. So NCERT, old, standard 11th and 12th. Okay, even standard 10th. Okay, story of civilization, that is also quite good. Mainly these two books, ancient, modern and medieval. Okay, all three are required. Even the world history, that book is also good. Okay, so and for polity, Lakshmikant, I'll add whatever is required from Shukla and other books like Jain Pandey and all. So Lakshmikant, both the books, that is polity book and governance book. If you want to have the hard copy, you can get the hard copy. Okay, so standard 11th, ancient India, old NCERT book. So the NCERT books you will get on the Telegram channel, on our Telegram channel, NCERT books only. Okay, that you can get. So ancient India, okay, chapters 1 and 2. In the first lecture we will be covering these two. It is better if you can finish it up from your side. Okay, so that you can ask your doubts and all. Then in polity, again Lakshmikant will, okay, that is chapter 1, and in itself it is a big chapter and very important chapter, right? So another thing about your doubts, so these are the books you need to follow. Okay, either you buy the books, okay, or if you are okay with the PDFs, you can get it from whatever source. NCERT books you will find on our channel. Okay, so next, coming to some of the questions you have asked. For example, Manish has asked about BPSC exam. So he has asked whether we will be also preparing for BPSC. So the common course will be, it is common for all PSCs and UPSC. Particularly the things which you have sent me, that is history, geography of Bihar and all. Once we finish it, we can do that. Okay. Similarly, other PSCs also, if you require any such three things would be common for all the PSCs. Okay, that is the geography of that state, the history of that state, and the economy of that state. Okay, so just let me know if you require help in that aspect. We can, I'll try to do that. Another thing is about the language. Some of you have asked me about Hindi. See, my Hindi is not that good, so I'll be helping you in my medium of communication would be English. Although doubts and all, if you have, you can send it and I'll try my best, okay, to clarify your doubts. Okay. So a few other doubts related to, again, book list. See, don't worry about book list and don't buy all the books together. Whatever you are studying now, you buy the latest edition of that book. Generally, it will take around 1 year to complete everything. Okay, if you buy all the books today, then maybe new editions will come when you will be studying some of the modules, right? So suppose you are starting from polity and history, you only get polity and history books. Okay, then next set of books. In that way, you will get the latest books also. Okay, writing practice, writing about what to do about writing. So Samiksha and some others have also asked. See, in the open batches, basically, I'll tell you once we finish a chapter, like what I told you, what chapters we'll do some PYQs. Okay, and what are the what points should be mentioned in those things we can discuss. Okay, I don't think evaluation will be possible in the open batch. Okay, so that I'll be giving you the keys and you can do self evaluation. Okay, that is the best possible we'll be doing, right? Another issue which I faced is about some of the students asking for the books, which books are to follow, the book list basically, but then multiple, do we need to follow multiple books? Okay, especially after that from a particular book some questions have come in UPSC. Every year it will change. So this year it has come from some book, next year 3-4 questions you will get which are not there in most of the textbooks, but it is there in a particular book. Okay, so that doesn't mean you go and study that particular book in that way, because we never know what questions they will be asking. So the standard books which are normally followed by everyone, okay, you can go through that. I think that would be sufficient. I don't think that so just keep that in mind. Okay, standard books, I guess that would be sufficient, right? Okay, so anyway, you take the test, take the Telegram test. You have full 1 day. Today you take the test. Okay, now I think the Telegram platform is fine. There is no issue of bugs and all. What was happening is, after the October 3rd update, this test was hanging, Quizbot was hanging, and it was asking you to again give the test. But I think from yesterday night they have the new update has taken care of that. Okay, so give the test, and tomorrow 8 PM we will discuss the answers. Okay, so it's a very important and very relevant subject, Gandhiji. Okay, so go through the quiz, 50 questions. Okay, if you are not finding the link is in the description section. That is a Telegram link. Okay, that will open. So once you click it, it will ask you open in which app. So you have to choose the Telegram app. Once you choose the Telegram app, it will ask you start the test. So start the test. Okay, and in the test, see, first the questions will come. You have to do a bit of scrolling. First the question will come, you see the questions, then you can answer. 1 minute you are getting each question. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow, okay, at 8 PM when we'll do the discussion, and also the theory classes for the chapters which I have told you. Okay, thank you all.